Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is just an introductory video. In this video I'll discuss a bit of introduction about Abaqus. So Abaqus is a software basically used for structural analysis, and once you have installed the Abaqus, this window appears like this, and you click on Abaqus CAE and it will start the Abaqus explicit dynamic module. Abaqus is basically used for multiple purposes and mainly for structural analysis, fluid analysis, and electromagnetic analysis. And most of the users have used Abaqus in case of structural analysis. And these structural analysis include static and dynamic analysis, and typically explicit dynamic analysis is most commonly solved using Abaqus. So this is just the start of window, and in here we need to select the modules, what module we want to use. So we will at the start just proceed with Abaqus standard explicit model for simple structure analysis, and CFD model can be used for fluid analysis, CFD analysis, and then we have electromagnetic model. Also, we can open the already saved file. As you see that multiple files appear as they have already been solved and saved in the system. So you can open this, or you can run a script that you have written using Python or any other related language. So these are some basic options. So you proceed with standard explicit model, and this is the working window of Abaqus, and here is the taskbar which indicates that the model has been created. So you have started off with a new model. So this is the model tree. So basically you perform all these steps over here, and then submit your job for analysis, and then you go for results in this tab, and you extract your desired results from here. And these are all the tools and tabs which you can adjust according to your own requirement from the tabs which will be discussed in detail in the later videos. And then these are the tabs which also include the different tools that you can need to use while performing different types of analysis. Okay, so the most important thing is the process of saving the file and having a set working directory, so that whatever you do is saved in your desired location. So from here you can set all these settings of file saving and all these things related to file saving. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss about the downloading and installation of Abaqus, and once you have installed Abaqus with you, so we will continue with the detailed tutorials of Abaqus from the very basics of Abaqus, so that you can continue with that. So that's it for the introductory video. Thank you for watching.